Bienvenue à la classe française. Welcome to the French class. And today we are going to be continuing with counting. In the previous class we learned number 1 to 20. And today we are going to continue from 20 to a million. Now the 20 is written on the board as 20. 20 is 20. In 21 we have 21. 21, and it runs like that: 21, 21, 22, 22, 23, 23, 24, 24, 25, 25 till 30. And we have 30 on the board is 30. 31 is 31, and it runs 31, 31, 32, 32, 33, 33, 34, 34, 35, 35, and it runs that way till 40. And 40 we have 40, 40, 41 we have 41, 41, 41, 42, 42, 43, 44, 44, 45, 45, and it runs like that till 50. And 50 we have second, second, second 51, second 52, second 53, second 54, and second 55, and it runs like that till 60. And at 60 we have 60, 61, 61, 62, 62, 63, 63, 64, 64, 65, 65, and it runs that way till 70. And 70, at 70 we have 70. 70. Here we have 60 and 10. And 60 and 10 makes 70. So 70. And 71, it's 71. Now it is wrong to use 70 on. Okay? 70 on, it is wrong. Instead of 70 on, we have 71. Okay? 71. 60 plus 11 will give you 71. 60 is 60, ons is 11. So when you have 60 ons, you have 71. Then it runs like that: 60 ons, 71, 72, 72, 73, 73, 74, 74, 75, you have 75, and it runs like that till 80. Okay, and then at 80 we have 80, 80, and 80 means literally 20 in 4 places, and we have 20 in 4 places, you have 80. Okay, 80, and at 81 we have 81. Okay, we have 21, so 81, and we have 80, 20 in 4 places and 1, so that is 81, 81. And you continue, it runs like that: 82, 82, 83, 83, 84, 84, 85, which is 85, right there on the board. 85, 85, and it runs that way till 90. And at 90 we have 90. Okay, 90. 20 in 4 places with 10. When you add 10, you have 90. For 20 in 4 places plus 10 is 90. 90. And when you're running from 91, you have 91. 91. In this case now, you won't say 90 aeons. It will be wrong for you to use aeon, okay? Rather use 80 ons, which is 11. 20 in 4 places plus 11. It gives you 91. It runs that way. 92. Okay, 92. 80 plus 12 will give you 92. Okay, 92, that is 92. 93, 93. 94, 94. 95. 95. 96, 96. 97, 97. 98, 98. 99, 99. And at 100 we have some. At 100 we have some. And 100 is some. 101 son déon. 102 son do. 103 son trois. 104 son quatre. And it runs that way till 200. And at 200 we have do son. 200 we have do son. If 100 is son and then 200 will not be son but do son. 200. And now it runs that way. 201 do son déon, do son do son trois till 250. And at 250 we have do son cinquante. Do son cinquante. 250. And at 300, we have trois son. At 250, it runs the same way with the 100, okay? When you have do son cinquante, then 251, do son cinquantéun, it runs that way till 300. And at 300, you have trois son, okay? And at 301, you have trois cent déon, 302, trois cent deux, 303, 303, 304, 304, 305, 305. Okay, it runs that way till 350, where you have 350. 350. And then when it runs that way till 400. At 400 you have 400. 400. 400. And at 450 we have 450. 450. And it runs that way till 500. And at 500 we have 500. 500. And it runs that way 501, 501, 602, 502, 603, 503, 604, 504, 605, 505 till 1,000. 1,000 we have on meal. 1,000 is meal. And at 2,000 we have do meal, just like at the 100. You have son. At 200 you have do son. At 1,000 you have meal. At 2,000 you have do meal. At 3,000 croix meal. At 4,000 4 meal. At 5,000 5 meal. At 6,000 6 meal. At 7,000 you have 7 meal. At 8,000 you have 8 meal. At 9,000 you have 9 meal. At 10,000 this meal. It runs that way until million. At 1 million you have 1 million. The million is also million, but the pronunciation is quite different. In English you say million, and in French it is still million. Million, 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 million. 1 million, 2 million. When you have 2 millions, you have 2 million, 3 million, 3 million, 4 million, 5 million, 6 million, 7 million, 8 million, 9 million, and then we have 100 million, we have 100 million. Okay, at 100 million, 10 million, you have this million, At 100 million, you have some million. Okay, it continues like that until infinity. Okay, that is how the number runs. You add 1, 2, 3 till the last number. And these are the key numbers we expected to know. From 20, we have 1, 30, 30, 40, 40, 50, 50, 60, 60, 70, 70, 80, 80, 90, 90, 100 is some, 200, do some, till 500 where you have cent some, and the million is a million, where you have 1,000 you have a million, and till million where you have 1,000,000. That is it on numbers. Until we meet again in the next class, thank you and have a good day.